channel, Precious Millionaire Logistics. Let's go. This is our weekend analysis and review of how our trades performed, right? So in the previous content, guys, I showed you where the market was at the moment. I think on the content on day before yesterday or thereabout, and what we're looking for on that content on that particular session, guys. We had our top gainers and our slow guys like the pound USD. So right here, guys, we're going to tell you how the trade went, and we're also going to show you, guys, should you want to skip this video, we're also going to show you how you can trade profitably. What I mean is, by being profitable is by getting the pips consistently, guys, having that background knowledge of how to go around forex trading profitably. So I'm going to tell you how we hold our trades, why we hold our trades, why we hold certain positions. So guys, if you want to hear more about that, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Guys, we're back. Precious Millionaire Logistics. Here we are on the Euro USD. This is where the market is at the moment, and guys, this market has really been slow. Come on, what the hell, Euro USD, what the heck is going on? Come on. But as at the last content we shared, Euro USD was at 78 pips. But guys, there was a kind of bearish day yesterday. As you all know, you don't expect the market to just go because you buy. You expect green candles to just go green candles upwards, right? There are some times where the market will, there will be a bearish day, there will be a bullish day, just the same way you have on the charts on any time frame, guys. So right here, we're holding the Euro USD position, and at this point, from 78 pips, we have dropped down to 60 pips. We have 60 pips here. But guys, not to worry, because like I said, Euro USD is one of the trades we may be holding right over the weekend. So pretty well know that we may not be dropping any analysis for next week, because guys, these analyses are based on the trades we take. So that means if you actually follow our analysis and take the trades and you run at a loss, guys, we're also running at losses on our end, right? So for Euro USD, we actually have a drawdown where from 78 pips, we're at 68 pips right now. And guys, we're going to show you also, like just somewhere around here, you're going to see a kind of picture of how we started this trade from the analysis, guys. So that's Euro USD for us, and right now we're doing what? We're doing 60 pips, but it's a trade we intend to hold, right? It's a trade we intend to hold, and everything is fine. So guys, let's move on to the next pair here. Let's move on to the next pair. Okay guys, this is AUDUSD. We have our AUDUSD, one of our good guys, one of our top gainers. So for AUDUSD, guys, at this moment you can see that we carried out the analysis, guys. This is the analysis we carried out, and we anticipated the market to be bullish, right? And right here, guys, this is where the market is. The market is kind of doing very well, and at the moment now we're at 166 pips. I think it's quite okay, kind of relative, but we're at 166 pips, guys, for AUDUSD. And without wasting much of our time, guys, let's go to pound USD and see what's going on there. Alright, this is pound USD. Guys, there's something about pound USD. You see pound USD at this moment has enjoyed 2 days bullish moves, guys. Now, this is how you trade the market. Our stop losses, take profit, everything is engaged. And what we just do right now is what? We let the market do the work, guys. You don't have to stay behind your system every minute, every hour of the day, and you're scalping, you're doing all that, buy, sell, and all that. No, you don't need all that. You just need to take a strategic position, set your risk, set your reward, and let the market do the work for you. That's how Forex is done ethically, and that's how you can be consistent in the long term, guys. So if you like this idea, let me tell you what happened about pound USD. In fact, so remember, guys, what I said on pound USD, or for pound USD, I expect pound USD to make, I'm expecting pound USD to make a very aggressive bullish move by Friday. I'm expecting that move. It's just an expectation, like of a forecast, right? I'm expecting that move. So if you're on that pound USD trade, I know it's quite disappointing. Maybe, it may be kind of disturbing for you, but it's okay to hold the trade. As a matter of fact, we may have to hold that trade longer than this week, right? If you like the video, what the video just shows, guys, is like we prophesied that on the 10th, being today, right, we're going to see very big moves on the pound USD. And remember, guys, from the other analysis, like the previous review we gave, guys, pound USD was just around 10 to 13 pips or thereabout, but right now the pound USD on our own trade is doing about 73 pips, guys. 73 pips, guys. That's where we are on the pound USD. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's go to the USD card. Okay, guys. Okay, right here, guys, we're on the USD card. Quite controversial, but this time, guys, we don't panic. Like in our previous video, guys, you can see right here the analysis how we started the trade. Right now, when we're doing the review, guys, we saw this kind of move to the upside, and I told you I may be locking some of my profits. However, guys, on that day I was a little bit kind of distracted, like for a few days now, right? So I actually were at the point when I got into the market, I saw some moves, and guess what, guys? I closed the position, right? I closed the position because it was really getting close to my to where I actually locked some of my profits. So I closed the position. But guess what, guys? Right here, you can see this red line somewhere here. That's the level there. So by Monday next week or by Tuesday, I will still be looking forward to short the USD card. Why? I don't know. But I will still be looking forward to short the USD card. Why? There are some things I really don't want to share in this video. Otherwise, we could be stuck here for a long time, right? But looking at the USD card, you will notice something, that the price actually was just a few pips shy of our take profit. So guys, if you saw that too as well, you may have, some of you may have closed the position already and all, but for myself, I missed that. So I didn't take most of the pips, right, but I actually made some money of it. So guys, I would like you guys to actually leave a very nice review on our Facebook page. That is if you're impressed by what you see on the channel, right? So please, guys, our Facebook page, guys, Millionaire Logistics on Facebook. If you've actually been following our content and you get value from what we do here, we'll very much appreciate it if you can do a review on our Facebook page, guys. You can as well use the comment section and all that. I very much appreciate all the views, guys. We thank you very much for supporting the channel. Thank you very much for, you know, making use of our content, our analysis, right? It just shows that we can actually make progress together. So with this, guys, okay, it's a weekend. So guys, just celebrate your peeps, celebrate the profit that you made, and don't forget to actually help the needy, guys. It's needed, right? Okay, guys, safe, precious, Millionaire Logistics.